In class this week, we explored the meaning of rational exponents. When we say rational, we are typically referring to fractional exponents. We started with an error analysis. We said that the statement 100 to the 1/2 power equals 50 is incorrect, and we took a few minutes in our groups to look at some related powers of 100 to uncover the error. When we completed the table, we noted that as we decrease by one whole number power, we decrease our result by 2 factors of 10, or 100. We noted that the 1/2 power must fit in between the exponent 1 and 0, so the result must also be between 100 and 1. If we decrease our power by only 1/2, we find that the result is to divide by only one factor of 10. The result and correction to this equation is 10. At this point, we asked what operation must the 1/2 power be equivalent to? In other words, what operation relates 100 to 10? It must be a square root. To prove that the 1/2 power is equivalent to taking a square root, we compared the 1/2 power to its reciprocal, the second power. Using our properties of exponents, we see that raising a base to the 1/2 power and then also to the second power results in the base itself. In other words, taking the square root and squaring a number are inverse operations. One operation undoes the other. We took a few minutes in class evaluating each of these rational exponent expressions, or just writing them in equivalent radical form. Next, we formally related exponent form to its equivalent radical form. The power corresponds to the numerator of the exponent. The index of the root corresponds to the exponent's denominator. To enter these expressions in our calculator, we have several options. The easiest would be to use the rational exponent form since no special keys or functions are required. Make sure to keep your rational exponent encased in parentheses. Last, we looked at writing radical expressions in their equivalent rational exponent form. Remember that the numerator of the exponent corresponds with the power, while the denominator of the exponent corresponds with the index.